Hiya fáistí muintir mark anseo. Tro é ar litir nua, ar new letter le haigh you, okay? Agus an bhfuil is a géine céin litter é seo. Looks a little bit like on letter E, doesn't it? Except it's not. It's a letter nua, agus on letter no F. On letter F. Sin an tanamatá ar letter. That's what we call the letter, okay? So we do a lína síos and then a lína trasna, agus lína trasna, and we get our letter F, okay? Now all these words are on Lahanach seo in this picture that you can see here. They all tusin siad le f, and that's the sound for F, okay? So it's a f, okay? So big smínaver and cade count, seo fuinneog, so f. Fuinneog, okay? On count and short now, man's beard is faceog as gaeilge, so faceog, okay? Got to practice that one for me. Faceog. On shin, tá sé ag shenam, fiddle, okay? Fiddle, okay? A type of instrument, okay? Tá sé beagnach mar an ggéine as gaeilge agus as béarla. It's basically the same word in English and in Irish, the fiddle, okay? Féicear sean count seo frozen, okay? And we hear the frozen ag túsanach at the start of the word. Céir faoi an count seo, and Melissa ginne cad é seo. Seo fear grinne, okay? A clown, fear grinne, okay? Seo féilechán, it's a nice word as gaeilge, féilechán, okay? Agus butterfly, okay? Féicear seo fáine. Maybe cur ceiste ar mommy no daddy, tá spáin tusa an fáine atá siad ag cathab. Ask mum or dad, will they show you a ring they might have, okay? Féicear seo fadóg, whistle. Seo fáine clúasa, so an earring. Here's a fáine. Fáine clúasa is an earring. Seo fiche, seo freya agus fion. We see the two F's at the start of the word. Agus and seo frog, okay? Here's a frog. And here's the letter F on seo, agus féicear and letter F mar seo, agus an shin, okay? Now, so Beiger, go through these words le mummy agus daddy and see how many you can remember. Now, when we're learning about the F song, okay, I want us to think of a frog, tá frog an seo, agus seo fuinneog, and we hear the frog, and we hear the fuinneog. Okay, right. So what I'd like us to do is tá mé gaeilge sibse ag smaoineamh ar frog atá ar an fuinneog. He's on the window outside the house, and he's very, very on a four, okay, and he's trying to get inside the window, and he can't get in. And after a while, tá farrig air, okay, he's not happy. Tá farrig air on frog, okay. Now. And the song goes a bit like this. So listen now, Anish, and I want you to practice then afterwards. So it goes 3, a do, a hain. Tá frog an fuinneog, Tá frog an fuinneog, Tá frog an fuinneog, agus farrig an frog, Tá frog an fuinneog, Okay, so we'll do it once more, and we see the farrig, tá farrig an frog Anish. Okay, so basically he becomes farrig, he becomes angry when he can't get inside. So we'll do it again, and I want you to practice. So 3, a do, a hain. Tá frog an fuinneog, Tá frog an fuinneog, Tá frog an fuinneog, agus farrig an frog, Tá frog an fuinneog. So I want you to practice that song. So you remember your letter F, it makes the f sound, and we had all our words here. We had our fuinneog, fair, fiche, all these different words. I want you to practice, and then I want you to colour in that page for all the words a husín le f. Sin é le haigh Anish, agus sláán a fáistí.